Okay, now we're going to go over what you do once you have all the connections made on your EVCDS laser system, both to the controller and to the head. And I'm going to show you what's basically the startup procedure. Now earlier we talked about the interlock jumper. What I've done is I've replaced that with this little thing, which is a 9-pin connector with a breakout board. Okay, and we buy these from a company named Winford Engineering, and they're very easy to work with. And as you can see, there's 2 wire loops here, and this emulates this jumper. The first loop is the shutter circuit. Normally this would go out to a switch on a door, and whenever this is not made, the shutter will not open. This circuit would go to an e-stop switch. If this circuit is broken, the whole system shuts down and you have to go through a total restart. That would be in case of an emergency shutdown. I don't know. Aliens are invading the planet, you need to turn it on, I don't know, whatever. So what I'm going to do is we have this plugged in, ready to go. I'm going to reach around here, I'm going to turn the power on. Okay. I'm going to press the start switch, and you can see the lights come on, fan starts blowing, and over here on this area right here, if John will zoom in, this is a piece of our demo equipment, and this has got little labels on here. Normally you would not get these on a new piece of equipment. We put them on there because this is demo equipment. Now, as you can see, we're going through the whole startup routine here. Right now, you can see it says the status is idle. And what we have here is the key switch. This is a safety feature. It's got to be turned on. Laser arm, which when you press this button, it actually initiates the power up of the actual laser. The shutter switch, got red and green if it's open, and the aiming diode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the key switch on and press the start. And you'll see that this light's going to blink a few times and the status is starting. Once this comes on and stays on, you'll see that it says run. At this point, we can open the shutter, close the shutter. We can turn the aiming diode on, which you can't see it, but we'll show you that in a minute. That just turns a pointer on so you can see where the laser is going to be aimed at. I'll turn that off for now. So, right now, the system is armed, it's ready, and you can actually begin lasing. I'm going to just make this screen a little bit bigger. And at this point, you would load a file. In this case, it's a barcode. It will show up on the screen, and you're pretty much ready to go. Now, what I am going to show you here is I'm going to open the shutter.
Battery's blinking bad.
Okay. And we have a demo switch here, just for demonstration purposes. This would be something that would be on the inside of the door. And when the switch is not made, you see it says shutter interlock. That means the shutter has closed. You see the shutter over here. And it means that no matter what, whether it's in the middle of a lasing cycle or not, the power will shut off, the shutter will close, and it will be safe to enter the lasing area. Okay, and in just a minute we're going to take a look at what you do when you want to actually start lasing.